All right, so let's peel back the layers on something that just took the AI world by storm, all thanks to a very fruity name. We're talking about Nano Banana. And trust me, what it means for creating and editing images is a pretty big deal.
Okay, so let's dive right in. Picture this. Just a few weeks ago, the AI community starts buzzing, right? There are whispers about this mysterious new model that's being quietly tested out in the open. I mean, literally out of nowhere, this unknown model just shows up on the public leaderboards where users blind test different AIs. And it wasn't just good. It started blowing everything else out of the water. We're talking a performance gap so wide, it left everyone wondering what on earth was going on. And the name they gave it? Nano Banana. You can't make this stuff up. The community just went wild with it, and right away, the speculation started. Everyone figured this had to be a secret project from Google, especially when some Googlers started dropping banana emojis online. A little bit of a giveaway, maybe. And when you look at the actual numbers on the LM Arena leaderboard, it's just staggering. Nano Banana didn't just grab the top spot, it created a whole new tier for itself. It was reportedly the largest score jump in the leaderboard's history. So while all the other top models were clustered around an 1100 score, Nano Banana just rocketed past 1200. You have to understand, in this space, that's not just a lead, that's a whole different league. Well, it didn't take long for the other shoe to drop. All that speculation, it was right on the money. Google finally pulled back the curtain and showed everyone exactly what this incredibly powerful new tool really was. So it turns out Nano Banana was the code name for Gemini 2.5 Flash image. And here's the absolute game changer. This is not just another image generator. The key, the secret sauce, is that it's plugging the entire world understanding of Google's massive Gemini language model directly into the process of making and editing images. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, think of it like this. It's like having a real conversation with your photo editor. You don't need to know complicated commands or technical jargon. You can just talk to it, describe what you want to change, and it just gets it.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, what makes it so much better than everything else? Let's break down a couple of its key superpowers that really truly set it apart from the pack.
Okay, superpower number one, advanced reasoning. And this is where that connection to the Gemini LLM really pays off. Instead of just matching words to pixels, which is what most models do, Nano Banana actually thinks about the logic and the implications of what you're asking. It's trying to understand your intent. Okay, check this out. Someone gave other AIs this totally wild prompt. Make an image of a frozen lasagna that has been cooking in the oven for 4 days at 500 degrees. And you know what most of them did? They just spit out a picture of a perfectly normal, delicious-looking lasagna. And Nano Banana's result? A complete disaster. A massively burnt, smoking husk of a lasagna, still sitting in the oven. See the difference? It didn't just see the word lasagna, it understood the implication of 4 days at 500 degrees. That's the leap from just pattern matching to something that feels a lot more like genuine understanding. All right, on to superpower number two. And this one is a big deal. It's something that has driven AI artists crazy for years. Character consistency. The ability to create a character and then change its pose, its clothes, its location, over and over, all while making sure it still looks like the same character.
So let's walk through this example right here. Step 1, we ask it to generate a cute little plastic toy character. Simple enough. Step 2, now give me front, side, and rear views. Bam, done. Step 3, a simple request, change the helmet to red. Easy. And finally, the coolest part, put it in toy packaging. And just like that, you've gone from a simple idea to a full-on product concept, and the character stays perfectly consistent the whole way through. So what happens when you put these two superpowers, that smart reasoning and this incredible consistency together? Well, you get some mind-blowing real-world uses. Let's fire through a few quick examples of what this thing can do.
Okay, first up, virtual try-on. You give it a picture of a guy and say, hey, change his white outfit into the outfit of this anime character. And the result is flawless. The outfit is swapped, but you gotta look closely. His face, his pose, the background, perfectly preserved. That level of precision is just insane.
Or how about this one? Photo restoration. You take an old, blurry, damaged family photo, a kind with creases and spots, and just ask it to restore and colorize it. And boom, it fixes the damage, but it keeps the faces, all the important details totally intact. It's literally like bringing an old memory back to life. And it just keeps going. We're talking about creating detailed model sheets for super complex characters, like something out of a video game, swapping outfits between two different people in the same photo, even placing a product, like a sneaker, into a totally new scene and getting the lighting and shadows just right. It's like magic. All right, so by now you've seen the magic, and you're probably asking, how can I get my hands on this thing? Well, the best part is, this isn't some tool that's locked away in a Google lab somewhere. You can actually use Nano Banana or Gemini 2.5 Flash Image right now. It's in Google's AI Studio. You can still test it out on LM Arena, and it's rolling out to the main Gemini website and app. And get this, it's already showing up on other platforms too, like Leonardo, Freepik, and Krea. And then there's the biggest shock of all, the price tag. On most of these platforms, it's completely free. We're talking generous free limits on what is, right now, probably the most powerful image editor on the planet. Google is basically putting this in everyone's hands. And that really leaves us with a huge question, doesn't it? This tech is incredibly powerful, it's easy to use, and now it's free. So you have to wonder, what actually happens when every single creator, every student, every person with an idea has a professional-grade photo editor right there in their pocket? I think we're just starting to find out.